Have you ever watched a faceless reel that kept you glued to the screen until the very end? No creator, no talking head, just simple footage, yet millions of views. The secret isn't the footage, it isn't the music, it isn't even the editing, it's the captions. Today I'll show you why captions do most of the storytelling in faceless videos and how you can create professional animated captions in minutes using Captionbolt. The real secret. Think about it. When people scroll Instagram or TikTok, many aren't listening with sound. They're watching silently. That means your captions become the narrator. Your captions need to grab attention instantly, highlight important words, create emotion, guide the viewer, keep people reading. Without great captions, your video becomes random B-roll. With great captions, the exact same footage suddenly becomes a story. That's why captions often do 80% of the communication in faceless content. Meet Captionbolt. This is where Captionbolt makes the entire process incredibly simple. Instead of manually creating captions one word at a time, Captionbolt automatically generates stylish captions for your videos. I have this brawl video of 10 seconds with voiceover. Let us add captions to it. This is the interface of Captionbolt after login. Drag the video here. It is uploading the video. Choose from famous Hormozi and Mr. Beast styles. There are tons of different options. I am checking 3 different options and choosing the best one.
If you want your child to be rich, teach them to solve problems, not just pass exams. Teach them to earn, save, and invest early. Curiosity is the greatest investment they'll ever make. If you want your child to be rich, teach them to solve problems, not just pass exams. Teach them to earn, save, and invest early. Curiosity is the greatest investment they'll ever make. If you want your child to be rich, teach them to solve problems, not just pass exams.
On Text Editor tab, you can see your script and you can even edit it. You can even resize your video to different aspect ratios according to your need. From here, you can also add cover text, which is tha hook. I am writing here. Make your child look and generate text. And you see this appears on the first frame.
If you want your child to be rich, teach them to solve problems, not just pass exams. Teach them to earn, save, and invest early. Curiosity is the greatest investment.
You can also add brawls. I am not adding because my video is already full of brawls. You can also add your logo from here. You can also add progress bar on your reels if you want. It looks like this. I am not adding it because I don't want to. You can also create posts from this video if you want. It takes only 5 seconds of credits. You can also choose from different templates to save more time. That is all about Captionbolt. Go grab the link from description and start making viral reels. Faceless content works especially well in finance, investing back, motivation, self-improvement, AI tools, tech reviews, productivity ease, tutorials, business tips, history, science, psychology. If you're uncomfortable showing your face, these niches prove you don't have to. Your captions can become the personality of the video. One pro tip here is that choose one caption style in all your videos. Do not change captions, color, and style for each video. This way, your brand identity will be lost. Faceless videos aren't successful because they're faceless. They're successful because every second communicates value. And captions are what carry that communication. Instead of spending hours manually syncing text, Captionbolt lets you create professional animated captions in minutes, so you can focus on making better content. If you're serious about growing with faceless reels, it's one of the easiest upgrades you can make to your workflow. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more AI creator tools and content creation tutorials, and let me know in the comments what type of faceless content are you planning to create next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.